In this video I am going to show you how to replace the upper right engine mount on a Renault Laguna Mark III, equipped with the 2-litre, straight-4 diesel engine. As you can see, the old part was cracked and all sorts of vibrations were felt inside the car when it was idling. For this job you will need, of course, the new, replacement part, a breaker bar to easily break the securing bolts, a ratchet wrench with an 18mm socket. A torque wrench is also required, as you need to be able to tighten the bolts to 115 Nm. It is a very simple process, as, fortunately, there is no actual need to suspend or secure in any way the engine or the car. You just need to be on a flat surface. Following these steps you'll be able to do it in no time. Remove the engine cover, this way you will get some extra space while working. Using the breaker bar, or the ratchet wrench with the 18mm socket, unscrew the upper tie bar bolt. Unscrew the side tie bar bolt. Remove the old engine mount. We can now see better how worn this part was. The rubber didn't age very well, it became brittle and it cracked. Place the new part in place, making sure it is in the correct position. Screw back the 18mm bolts. Using the torque wrench, torque them both to 115 Nm. After you've secured both bolts to the right specification, turn the engine on and check your work. There shouldn't be any play, noise or irregularity. The fresh rubber in the new part now properly absorbs the engine vibration. Due to the camera stabilization, that is not really visible in the video, but trust me, you can see it working. Place the engine cover back and that's it. You did it. You got a new engine mount in place, and you surely saved some money by doing it yourself. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.